Welcome to Sri Saraswati Vidyalayam News Bulletin. I am Shivapriya, a plus one student of the school. First of all, let us have a gander at the international news. Sri Lanka cabinet clears Trincomalee oil tank from deal with India. Sri Lanka's cabinet has given its nod for a new deal announced by the energy minister last week to jointly develop the Trincomalee oil tank farm with India. China President Xi Jinping signs mobilization order for PLA training. China's President Xi Jinping on Tuesday signed an annual mobilization order to mark the start of this year's training for the Chinese military with an emphasis on combining training with combat operations. Now let us move on to the national news. Home Ministry push to intelligence bureaus counter-terrorism grid. The center wants the states to share more intelligence inputs through the Multi-Agency Center, a common counter-terrorism grid under the Intelligence Bureau that was made operational in 2001 post-Kargil War. ICMR approves India-made kit to detect Omicron. The Indian Council of Medical Research has approved a testing kit for detecting the Omicron variant of the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus. The kit is manufactured by Tata Medical and Diagnostic and is named as Omicron. Now let us switch over to the state news. Kerala Governor seeks special assembly session to remove him from Chancellor post. Kerala Governor Arif Muhammad Khan on January 4 suggested that the government could convene a special session of the assembly to divest him of the charge of Chancellor of Universities. Major fire breaks out at scrapyard at Kilipalam. A massive fire that broke out at scrapyard at Kilipalam in the city on Monday and spread to nearby buildings was brought under control after a 3-hour-long firefighting operation involving nearly 15 tenters. Now it is time for the sports buffs. Hamri gets direct entry. India's Yuki Bambri received a direct entry into the men's singles main draw of Tata Open Maharashtra, which will see some of the two players vying for the honours here from January 31. SA vs India, Thakur 7 for 61 leads India's fight back on day 2. Seam bowler Shardul Thakur turned out to be an unlikely hero with a career best 7 for 61 to keep India on even keel against South Africa on an injuries second day of the second test here on Tuesday. Now over to the school news.
Namaste, welcome to the school news. Today, our school has released a data bank of the parents who belong to different blood groups. It was a wonderful combination. While we traced it, we got a lot of rare blood groups. And hereafter, we want to keep it as a data bank. And if any person contacts us, our school, for their blood donation related purpose, we will put that requirement at the class groups concerned, and the parents who want to join this venture can make a donation. It is a stepping stone in the history of our school. The coming future, almost all the parents and children can make use of it.
Sister Nivedita was an Irish teacher, author, social activist, school founder and disciple of Swami Vivekananda. She spent her childhood and early youth in Ireland. Noble came home from a family of Wesleyan ministers. Her maternal grandfather was a respected member of Irish national movement. Yet Noble's early life was spent in considerable deprivation. She lost her father when she was only 10 years old, studying thereafter a charitable boarding school in northern England. She acquired a reputation as an experimental educationist, influenced by ideas popular in continental Europe at the time, including those of Friedrich Froebel, father of kindergarten concept. At the gathering, Swami Vivekananda's words seemed to speak directly to Noble's own beliefs about the best in human nature. His words were a call to action, to serve suffering humanity, to sacrifice one's life for the goods of others. This was what the earth best. Any bravest were burnt for. Vivekananda recognized that Noble could be of huge assistance in his efforts to uplift Indian women. Noble knew she had found her true calling. Noble arrived in India in 1898. For 9 months, she received intensive training from Vivekananda, who opened the magical maze of India to her. In March that year, Noble received Diksha, initiation into a life of spirituality and service. She was given the name Nivedita, the offered one. They, along with a few others, also undertook a 5-month journey success the northern and western parts of the country. During this, Vivekananda spoke on religion, history, geography, and ethology. In India, she found her soul, home, and destiny.
After that, now was the mind-blowing performance of our child prodigies.
Namaste. My name is Apirat A. Biju. I am studying in 3rd standard. I sing a song named Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. Teddy bear, teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, 30 count. Teddy bear, show your shoe. Teddy bear, that will do. Teddy bear, rain of days. Teddy bear, say your prayers. Teddy bear, turn out the light. Teddy bear, say good night. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Vardhan Arpi. I am 4th standard student. I use both sides of paper. Reuse one side of paper. Kindly avoid plastic bags. It is harmful for humans and the environment. I carry paper bag. I will not charge my phone overnight. I will reduce my phone internet usage by 1 hour today. I will carry a handkerchief. I will not use tissue paper. I will shift to an ink pen. I will not waste my food on my plate.
This is all for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you.